Hey, Honors Algebra. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Just coming at you with another checklist video for the week. I asked you guys last week how we kind of felt with factoring so far, and it was kind of middle of the road, is what I was gathering. So we're going to work. We're not going to do what I had planned originally. We're going to kind of backtrack a little bit and work on some more factoring practice, okay? So this week, I want you guys to watch the algebra EOC questions part 4 video from last week, just the answers on how to do those. And then we had another algebra EOC questions part 5 for you to work on. And then I want you guys to work on a factoring game that I found online. I think it'll be kind of fun, something different that we haven't done yet. And then I'm going to post another video on somebody else's video on how to factor using that. Excuse me, sorry. Another video on someone else's, it's still the X method. It's the same method I showed you. It just looks a little cleaner with it being on, he does it like digitally. So you'll be able to see that. I'm hoping that'll help you guys out a little bit. And if you need help with that, please let me know. I can explain it as well. And then after that, we've got completing the square to work on. It's just a little bit more factoring and building on the kind of stuff that we learned last week with perfect square trinomials. And then we'll have an Alex homework. So only one new set of notes, and then just reviewing that factoring topic, okay? And that's it. If you guys need help, please reach out, and I hope you have a good week. All right, I'll talk to you later.